Gatagati ka Arutwo 831,15 aria mekire kigeranio gya KCSE kia mwaka wa 2021 Arutwo 145 nio maregwateire mieke ya imwe kwa imwe ya kuingira thukuru-ini cia university makirugamiriro ni thirikari. Arutwo aria matanona mieke no ona kuhanura uguo nimoritio kwaga gukua ngoro kuona mieke ya kugacirithia githomo irio kuo thukuru-ini cia kothi cia moko. Murugamiriri munene wa thukuru wa Rift Valley Institute of Science and Technology Sammy Chemoiwa augite niguo gukinyaniria ukuria wa bururi Kenya irafatarania utaramu kuma honge itiganite ari hamwe na kothi iria ciheana thukuru-ini ici.
The jobs are not there. The employment is not easily attainable because the economy requires people to produce, and for one to produce they must work. So what we are doing now is we are encouraging our students to acquire skills to go and start business.
Chemoiwa augite kwa ihinda iraya mutaratara wa githomo uri ukoretwo ukihuthika ukoretwo ukirongoreria muno maumirira ma igeranio na ni mawira mariku mundu angiruta thutha wa gutiriha githomo akiuga arutwo aria mekuiyukia kothi cia moko mari na mieke miega ya mawira guku bururi-ini ona nja ya bururi.
You'll find that some of them are running construction companies, production workshops, they are running businesses, and some are also in employment.
Uge oyo ogekindiro ni kimutai to na William Kamati Arutwo ahau kafere thukuru-ini uyu.
Most parents were not giving TVETs enough weight for such. Most people wanted their kids to go to university straight, become managers. You cannot be a manager without people you manage. It is important to have people you manage so that you become a manager.
Sio lazima uandikwe kazi. Unaweza kujiandika kazi, kujiajiri by the name, kujiajiri, kufungua biashara yako na wewe ukuwe mwajiri wa wengine, ndio hivyo.
Mwenaini wake Alice Tanyasi nioretie thirikari kugacirithia na njira ciothe mathomo thukuru-ini ici niguo kugacirithia gikiro kia mathomo kuri arutwo aria macagura guthomera kothi cia moko.
Kwa leo hivi ni rahisi kusoma. Mtandao vile mwenzangu amesema ni rahisi sasa hata kusoma online. Enzi zetu lazima ukuje shule. Lazima ukuje uonane na mwalimu ndio akufunze.
Hadwini Hakameme TV Kuringana wa wadu.